Zhangjiajie beyond the photos. Zhangjiajie, a name that sounds mythical, and in many ways, it is. With its towering sandstone pillars, cloud-draped peaks, and surreal scenery, it's no wonder this region inspired the world of Pandora in James Cameron's Avatar. But beyond the viral images lies a real place, steeped in culture, legend, and natural wonder. In this video, we're taking you deep into the heart of Zhangjiajie, not just to the famous cliffs, but to hidden temples, ancient towns, and wild rivers.
Where is Zhangjiajie? Before diving deeper into this stunning destination, let's locate it on the map. Zhangjiajie lies in the northwestern part of Hunan Province, in south-central China. It's nestled between the cities of Changsha and Chongqing, but remains relatively remote part of its allure. Surrounded by lush mountains and far from China's bustling megacities, Zhangjiajie feels like another world entirely. This isolation is exactly what helped preserve its natural wonders and cultural identity, making it a truly special corner of the country.
Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is the crown jewel of the region. Home to over 3,000 vertical pillars, some reaching over 200 meters tall, the park defies belief. Mist weaves through the peaks, making each step feel like walking through a dream. Well-maintained trails and cable cars make the park surprisingly accessible, yet its vastness means you can still find moments of quiet awe.
Long Park, red history meets green scenery. Long Park, named after a famous Chinese general, combines natural beauty with revolutionary history. Located near the entrance of Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, it features large statues, quiet gardens, and shaded walkways. While not as visually dramatic as the mountains, it adds cultural depth to your visit and reveals China's layered past.
Yuanjiajie Scenic Area, the floating peaks. This is the most famous section of the Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, home to the southern sky column, renamed Avatar Hallelujah Mountain. An elevator carved into the cliff, the Bailong Elevator, whisks visitors up 300 meters in seconds. At the top, suspended walkways curve around peaks, offering surreal views of floating mountains shrouded in mist.
Golden Whip Stream, a walk through a living painting for those seeking a peaceful alternative to cable cars and crowds. Golden Whip Stream offers a gentle hike through lush forest along a clear mountain stream. The 7.5 kilometers trail winds between towering cliffs and passes by ancient trees, singing birds, and sometimes wild monkeys. It's a haven for photographers, nature lovers, and anyone needing to slow down.
Yangjiajie Scenic Area, adventure and quietude. Less visited than Yuanjiajie, Yangjiajie offers rugged trails, steep ladders, and panoramic views with fewer crowds. The natural Great Wall, a narrow stone ridge, provides one of the best vantage points in the entire park. It's perfect for adventurous hikers who want a wilder, more immersive experience.
10-Mile Gallery, nature on display. A scenic mini-train ride takes visitors through the 10-Mile Gallery, a valley surrounded by towering rock formations with poetic names like The Couple Meeting and The Old Man Picking Herbs. This area is especially photogenic in the early morning when light filters through the peaks. Along the route, local performers often sing traditional Tujia songs.
Tianmen Mountain. No visit to Zhangjiajie is complete without a trip to Tianmen Mountain. Reached by one of the longest cable car rides in the world, nearly 7.5 kilometers, the ascent alone is unforgettable. At the top, visitors can walk along glass skywalks, peer over sheer drops, and explore the mountaintop temple shrouded in mist.
Tianmen Mountain Temple, spiritual calm at high altitude. Atop Tianmen Mountain sits an ancient Buddhist temple, surrounded by clouds and silence. This sacred site is often overlooked by tourists rushing to the mountain's glass skywalk or the 99 Bends Road, but it's one of Zhangjiajie's spiritual gems. Incense smoke wafts through pine trees, and monks continue their daily rituals in harmony with nature. It's a place to pause, reflect, and feel the pulse of old China.
Tianmen Cave, Heaven's Gate. This massive natural arch in Tianmen Mountain is one of the highest in the world, often referred to as Heaven's Gate. Reaching it is an experience in itself. 999 steep steps lead to the cave, and on misty days, it feels like climbing to the sky. It's both a physical and spiritual journey, and a favorite spot for daring aerial stunts, including wingsuit jumps.
Mayan River Rafting. water adventure in nature just outside the main park areas, the Mayan River offers a fun and scenic rafting experience. You'll float past bamboo forests, karst cliffs, and quiet countryside. The river is gentle enough for beginners but exciting enough to feel like an adventure. It's a great way to cool off during hot summer months and see Zhangjiajie from a different angle.
Daeong Ancient City, a glimpse of the past located in downtown Zhangjiajie. This reconstructed ancient town gives a sense of the region's architectural heritage. With wooden buildings, cobbled streets, and traditional crafts, Daeong is ideal for an evening stroll and local street food. While not as authentic as rural villages, it offers convenience and atmosphere.
Baophong Lake, reflections of the peaks nestled in a serene valley. Baophong Lake offers tranquil boat rides through emerald waters flanked by vertical cliffs. The calm surface reflects the sky and stone pillars like a living painting. Local singers often perform traditional Tujia songs on bamboo rafts, enhancing the magical ambience.
Yellow Dragon Cave, a subterranean marvel, one of China's most spectacular cave systems. Yellow Dragon Cave features massive chambers, underground rivers, and illuminated stalactites. Walking through its winding passages feels like entering a different world, cool, damp, and echoing with ancient mystery.
Tujia Folk Customs Park, Culture in Motion. This cultural theme park offers insight into the Tujia ethnic group's traditions, architecture, and rituals. Reconstructed stilt houses, folk performances, and handicrafts make this a living museum that complements the natural beauty around it.
Wulingyuan Town, the heart of the scenic area, a great base for exploring the surrounding parks. Wulingyuan Town is full of ghost houses, restaurants, and souvenir shops. It's lively in the evenings, with food markets and music filling the air. Staying here keeps you close to the action, yet immersed in local charm.
Suoxiu Valley, underrated and unforgettable, often overlooked. Suoxiu Valley is home to dramatic peaks, deep ravines, and lush forests. Fewer tourists venture here, making it a peaceful and photogenic escape with scenic spots like the Baizhang Gorge.
Shadao Goli, remote and raw, this hidden gem within the wider Zhangjiajie region rewards determined trekkers with quiet trails, bamboo groves, and secret waterfalls. It's a spot for those who crave solitude and connection with untouched nature.
Furong Ancient Town, a riverside time capsule about 2 hours from Zhangjiajie. Furong is an ancient town perched on a cliff above a cascading waterfall. Its preserved wooden architecture and cobbled streets are perfect for slow exploration, offering a glimpse into China's dynastic past.
Redstone Forest, a geological surprise located near Guizhang. This lesser-known site features striking red rock formations shaped by erosion over millions of years. The vibrant colors and odd shapes contrast sharply with the greenery and add a whole new dimension to your Zhangjiajie itinerary.
Zhangjiajie terraces, layers of living landscape. Terraced rice paddies carved into the hillsides of Zhangjiajie present a breathtaking agricultural scene. These layered fields, especially at sunrise or sunset, showcase the harmony between human effort and natural beauty. Why Zhangjiajie still feels otherworldly in a country filled with breathtaking destinations, Zhangjiajie stands out. It's more than just scenery, it's a sensory experience, a step into myth, and a journey through both nature and history. Whether you're hiking through misty peaks, walking ancient stone paths, or rafting beneath cliff walls, Zhangjiajie doesn't just impress, it transforms. Thank you for watching DSV Travel Trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite scene in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.